Pros and cons of marble flooring. Dear friends, marble is probably the most popular flooring choice for both residential and commercial buildings. Today there are more than 100 flooring options available, but still, marble stands out from all of them, due to its durability, elegance, hardness, sleek shine, etc. With so many exciting features, marble sure is one of the best choices, but it still has its disadvantages. Here are some of its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages of marble flooring. Unique appearance. Marble is a natural stone, which means every manufactured piece has a unique appearance. You won't get the same piece of marble anywhere else. Varieties of colors and patterns. One of the best things about marble is its wide range of shades, colors, and patterns. From deep, dark colors to light, bright colors, marble has probably every shade you could expect. Also, marble comes in one solid color to multicolored patterns, which is another good advantage. It is also available in different shapes and sizes, which can be put together to get beautiful mosaic creations. Glassy effect. Marble has a natural translucent look, when nicely polished, gives a glassy and attractive effect. Even the darker shades of marble look shiny when polished. Good conductor of heat. If you want flooring that radiates heat, then marble is the best choice. It is one of the best ways to counter cold surfaces. It is also resistant to hot pans and pots, which is why it is also used as kitchen countertops. Marble doesn't get damaged when exposed to a reasonable temperature. Disadvantages of marble flooring. It is expensive. The cost of marble varies according to its type, but it is generally more expensive than other tiles, including porcelain, ceramic, vinyl, etc. Easily stained. Marble is made of limestone, dolomite, and other naturally formed rocks, which means the pH level of the marble is mostly alkaline. When some acidic product is spilled on it, it causes a chemical reaction, which creates stains. The acidic substance can be found in day-to-day items, including food, drinks, and regular cleaning products. It is fragile. Due to its translucent nature, marble is more prone to breaking, cracking, and chipping. Installation of marbles should be done properly to ensure there is no gap left between the floor and the tile. If there are any weak spots left behind, it could crack under normal pressure. Marbles, when used as countertops, need to be taken extra care to not break. Marble is also susceptible to scratch marks that can be easily visible on a flat and smooth surface. Marble is porous in nature. Porous surface refers to those that allow liquid or air to pass through them slowly. Since marble is porous in nature, it is prone to damage from water penetration. Also, any split material is dangerous to the surface. You can avoid this disadvantage by using a chemical sealer on the surface, immediately after installing the tiles. To avoid water damage, you have to reapply the sealer at least once a year. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.